In this video, I'll walk you through how to resolve the issue of lines appearing on your iPhone screen. If this guide helps you, feel free to subscribe and leave a like. Let's dive right in. If you're seeing lines on your iPhone screen, it could be due to either a hardware or software issue. I'll go over solutions for both possibilities, so stay tuned. The first thing you should try is restarting your iPhone. Sometimes these lines can be caused by a temporary software glitch, and a simple restart could fix it. To restart your iPhone, you can perform a force restart. For iPhone models 8 and above, including the iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, and newer, here's what you need to do. Press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and finally, hold down the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Be sure to press the volume buttons and the power button quickly and in succession. Hold the power button until your iPhone turns off, and then wait for the Apple logo to appear. Once you see the logo, release the button. Don't hold it too long, or you might enter recovery mode. Once the phone restarts, check if the lines are gone. If they're still there, let's try a few more fixes. Sometimes the lines could be caused by dirt or debris on the screen. Take a close look at the screen and gently clean it. A soft cloth might help remove any buildup. If the lines persist, another thing you can try is removing any screen protector you might have. Sometimes a damaged screen protector or one that has trapped dirt can cause visual distortions, including lines. Next, if you're still dealing with the issue, some users have reported that pressing gently on the screen where the lines appear can help. For instance, if there's a line in the center of the display, you can gently press on that area to see if it resolves. If the problem continues, it might be due to a hardware issue behind the screen. In that case, it's best to get in touch with Apple support. You can schedule an appointment online or take your phone to an Apple store for a technician to assess the issue and repair it if needed. I hope one of these steps helped resolve the issue for you. If it did, please consider leaving a like below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.